The first thing you're going to do is identify the hypotenuse so you don't make what I call a mistake, but it's really a stupid mistake, okay? So don't do that. So we're going to go across here from the right angle, and that's going to be the hypotenuse, the guy that's across the field. So you guys have been doing that. These triangles are put in different directions, so it's there to mix you up. So I know that this is A and B, that's adjacent, and this is opposite. Everybody see that?
Yep.
So if I want tangent of theta, I want the opposite over adjacent. But they want it in radical form. They don't want it in a decimal. So first thing I'm going to do is do the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus 3 root 19 squared equals 14 squared. A squared plus, now 3 squared is 9, and what's 9 times 19? So everybody square 3 root 19, put it in parentheses and square it, and make sure that it's 171. So now we subtract 171, we get a 5, we get a 2. Oh, this is going to be pretty.
25.
So it's a squared equals 25. So A is 5. Yep. So the opposite is 3 root 19, and the adjacent is 5. Since it's a triangle, we're not on the unit circle or in quadrants, they're always going to be positive. That's another easy thing about this lesson. Okay? Where theta is here, 14 is the H, 11 is the adjacent, and this guy is the opposite. And they want us to find the sine of theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse. All right, so if the 14 is the hypotenuse, then O squared plus 11 squared equals 14 squared. And O squared equals 121. O squared plus 121 equals 196. And we subtract 121 from both sides. And we get a 5. We get 75. O squared equals 75. O equals the square root of 75.
A lot of bugs there. Right?
So root 75, they want to know if it's in simplest form. And you're going to take 75 and you're going to factor it. 3 times 25, because you know there's 3/4 and 75 cents.
Yeah.
5 times 5. Well, that has a 5 root 3. Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
So the O is 5 root 3, and the hypotenuse is 14. If you could reduce 5/14, if they were both even numbers, you would reduce that too.